Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change notification sounds in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down, and now you can see the option notifications. Click on it, and then if you want to change notification of any app like messages, then simply you can click on sounds, and here you can select a notification sound. And if you want to change the notification sound of FaceTime app, then simply click on sounds, and here you can change a notification. So this is the way to change notifications in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.